Hey everybody, this video should be helpful for both page 1 and page 2 in the coordinate grid packet. There are a couple of really basic rules that will make coordinate grids much simpler. And that first rule of coordinate grids is that all points start from this little spot here. Okay, it's called the origin. It's technically at 0, 0. It's where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. That corner of the grid, that corner of the graph, that's where everything is going to start from. That's the first thing you really need to remember. The next thing is the first number in your ordered pairs. I'm going to do an example here. So I will say my ordered pair is 4, 3. So the first number in your ordered pair, that is always your x number. So ordered pairs always go x and then y. And the reason that that is helpful, if you look at this graph, this horizontal axis is called the x-axis. Another way that I like to remember this is that your ordered pairs, the first number is always over and the second number is always up. Now, when you get to a little bit more complicated grids, the first number can be left or right and the second can be up or down. But for right now, the first number just tells you how far over and the second number tells you how far up. So for my example here, 4, 3, I'm going to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not going to put a dot there yet. Oftentimes students will put a dot there and it gets real messy. So now that I've gone over 4, I need to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the point right there where I will put my dot on the grid. Over 4, up 3, and your dot should always go where 2 of the grid lines are crossing. So that is where that point lives right there. If we look farther down the page here, the directions for the first 4 problems tell us to write an ordered pair for the given point. So the first one is G, right here. So anytime we need to write an ordered pair, we're going to have 2 parentheses, a number, a comma, and then your other parenthesis. And we need to look at G. Now G, like I said earlier, you always go over first. G is, from the origin, 1, 2, 3. G is 3 over. So my first number is 3. My x number is 3. Now we need to count how far up G is. G is 1, 2, 3, 4. G is up 4, so my y number is 4. That's how you will do those first 4 questions. The next 6 questions are just slightly different. They're asking you to label a point on the graph. Now, if you're looking at this and saying, well, I don't see where the letter A is over here, you're correct. Our job is to put the letter A there. So we need to first go over 1 and then up 6. So first number is 1, we go over 1. Our second number is 6, we now go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where our point will live. Over 1 and up 6 is right there. And the directions told us to put an A next to that one. So there we go, letter A. Those rules will work for all the problems on this page and the next one as well. Good luck!